Hi! So today, look at this.
May makeup po kami.
Look. At this size, makeup way too small. Oh man!
No! Taas si Jay. Doon na tayo sa kwarto. Doon kami
Wait,
sa
that's
kwarto,
a
guys.
flyer, right?
Doon kami sa kwarto, besties. Oh, kuya mo yung suklay.
Dalawa nilang ate.
Magkakam sa sorry. Sorry,
Guys. Okay, tatayin din. Hi guys. Let's open my makeup box. Oh.
Binuksan muna, kakabukas mo pa lang yan.
Tada!
Ba't ka nag-i-English? Englishera na. Nag-i-Englishera na si Jaja.
Right, guys. I'm just going to read.
Oh my gosh!
Yan.
Oh my gosh, what happened, Jaja? Look. That will take off. Anyways, you give me open. You open that.
Wag.
You open it.
Ate,
You open it. Mine's
Okay.
small and hers big. I don't know why. Give it now. I'm gonna put blush on you.
Okay, mamaya lipitin natin yung face natin.
And guys, look.
Bawal
guys,
may
look.
ganito,
Guys,
dapat ito.
Jaja got this Pokemon.
Pokemon.
She got Pokemon.
Put it over here. Sinatabi ko dyan. Okay, time to brush my
Alit
hands.
kasi. Brush, anong brush?
Brush, ito, brush my hands.
I look so pretty. Wait lang kasi.
Yan.
Ba't kasi ito nakaganyan? Nasisira na yung ano natin. This is... There you go.
Finally,
Make
there's a
it
triangle.
Jaja, come here. Para makita ka.
Oh, yan. Ba't kasi nakaganyan?
Para makita tayo.
Yan. Okay. Look, I have it on our iPad.
Show it, Jaja.
We don't have, right?
Jaja, huwag ka nga mag-flex. Bad yun. Susumbong kita. Ay! Tao! Min si Jaja.
I don't mind.
Anong ginagawa? Anong gagawin mo yan?
Ala.
Show it.
La
Gusto ba ako maban sa YouTube?
No.
Hindi pa gagawa ganyan.
I want this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. All of the colors.
There you go. I don't
I don't
actually
need
make
that.
it that
Ate, I
much.
need
I
this.
just
Ate,
use
kailangan ko yung blush mo.
it.
Blush. Thank you.
I actually don't use makeup that much. I only use like this perfume and lipstick, which is broken. So we're gonna get the other one. Take it off. I really anyways. Yeah, you're not a 5-year-old. You're like 7.
Goody.
about the background. Yeah. I don't make up that much.
Ate, look what I'm doing. Here you go. Here you go.
Put it like there.
Okay, I need this for brush.
Give me. I want to put it in that.
That is blush. Just pretend it's blush.
Oh, my blush na. Oh, you're right. I'm skinny, guys. She's like skinny. Close your eyes. You're gonna go to the eyes. And then you can open it. What is guys, she's laughing. Now I'm gonna put lipstick on you.
What about you?
Kakalagay ko lang. Make sure your lips is dry. Oh, it's not dry. If it's dry, it's gotta be dry. It can't be wet. It's dry. Okay, it's dry. It's dry. There. Oh, sira na. Mas lakasan na ito. And there you go. I'm done with my makeup now. Where's the brush? Look at what's here. I'm back. You guys tell me if you did anything. Bestie. Yes.
And I need my hands pink.
Girl, you don't need your hands pink.
I need it. I need to brush my hands.
Brush.
Brush my...
That's not that. No.
Yes.
Brush.
This.
This.
This is a brush.
Oh, mag-brush ka. Oh. Uy, mag-brush ka. Mag-brush ka. Oh my God.
We need to towel our hair.
Pariyan daw natin yung buhok na din. Did you guys do it lang?
I want this.
Okay, give me. I'm gonna be your ano.
Now need. I want this.
Okay, give me.
No, I want you and me too. Because I want you and me.
Tapos nakain ko pala this.
Ate.
This. Oh, shit. You put it in your ano.
No, I don't.
Nilalagay yung dito.
I'm going to punas it.
Wait lang, give me.
Punas it.
I don't use makeup that much, but today I have to. And I'm fine. Where's the thing? Ito. Yung person next to there.
Now my hands is always pink. I want you and me, boo.
Okay.
I want purple and you need pink. You need pink and I need purple. Here you go. Okay, let's paint our neck.
Edya, you should actually clean your ano kasi nagiging silang hard.
Mine is not hard, so let's be purple. Ilang. Don't worry, don't worry. Be patient. Come on.
I'm trying to. I don't even have an artist to use it.
Come on.
Guys, I'm scared.
Come on. Thank you. I'm going to start this.
I wanna see.
Okay. Okay.
This is you. Are good at doing. Ourselves. Look at what I made. Guys, look at. You see that? You guys see that? This you see that? That's a little drippy drip.
Two. Let's do two of them.
I'm not doing two, guys. I'm scared.
Only one.
Like, I'm washing this off.
Just wait it to be dry.
Oh my gosh, it worsened, guys. You know,
Yes.
I'll be right back then.
Look, I have an iPad. Nene, bububu, ang pangit ka.
Guys, I'm back. Did you do anything?
No.
Guys, tell me in the comments if you did anything. And that will be okay today.
Man kang ano? Who is not turning off? Kala ko ni-wash mo.
Hindi ko ni-wash ko lang yung edges. Okay, so you guys don't know. Basically, that will be all for today's video. And
Look
see you guys
at
in our
this.
next channel. And we love you guys so much. See you in our next video. Bye.
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 Bye.